You got me. Nice one, mate.
Scared me.
Too much noise, eh?
It scared me there for a second. I was just psyching myself up to cross over here. Sorry. Oh.